and B is 96. तो given two numbers are 6 and 96. ठीक है. If you will find the mean proportion, it will be 24, and if you will find, what does it mean? It means if you have A upon B is equals to, if you have A upon B is equals to C upon D, then B upon A is equals to D upon C. Understood? This is called inverse property or invertendo. Then after that we will combine both these properties. ठीक है.
To subscribe to our new channel SSB Sure Shot Plus for exclusive new videos. Also follow us on Instagram for all the latest updates. Check out a Sure Shot guide to crack SSB on Amazon. The link is in the description below.
Now the question is, two numbers such that their mean proportion is 24 and their third proportion is 1536. Okay, you have to find the two numbers. Okay, mean proportion is given to you. What is the mean proportion? 24. And what is the third proportion?
1536
is equals to 1536. Anyone got the answer?
8 sir.
6. Correct answer is 6. ठीक है. Now I will assume two numbers are A and B. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
If two numbers are A and B, ठीक है, तो what is the mean proportion? Under root AB. Yes or no? And what is the extreme third proportion? It is B square by A. Under root AB is 24. Under root AB is 24. And B square by A is what? 1536. Is that clear? If I am taking whole square both the sides, what is 24 square? 144 into 4.
576.
So 576. Yes or no? So AB is equals to 576. Is that clear? And B square by A is equals to 1536. What if I multiply both these equations? I will get B cube. Yes or no? What if I multiply both these equations? I will get B cube. So both these equations, 576 into 1536 is equals to B cube. Is that clear? And what is 576? 24 square. Yes or no? That is 12 square into 2 square. And what is 1536? 1536 we can write 1536 as
64 square.
1536 64 square. पक्का. If it is 64 square, ठीक है. So overall it will be 96 into 96. ठीक है क्या?
No, it's not 64 square.
It will be 96 cube यार. ठीक है. तो if it is 96 cube, B is equals to 96. ठीक है. If you will solve this, you will get overall this is 96 cube. ठीक है. And for that you don't need to calculate and find the cube root. यहाँ पे मैं I can write in such a way so that ये 96 into 96 into 96 आ जाएगा. ठीक है क्या? तो 96 cube. Then B is equals to 96. If B is known to us, can we find A? Yes or no? B अगर मुझे पता है तो A की वैल्यू मैं फाइंड कर सकता हूँ. तो A will be 576 upon B, that is 96. And if you will solve, this is what? 6. So A is what? 6 and B is 96. So given two numbers are 6 and 96. ठीक है. If you will find the mean proportion, it will be 24, and if you will find the third proportion, it will be 1536. Is that clear? Sakshi?
सर मैंने वो किया गया होता है मैंने प्रपोर्शन का वहाँ वैल्यू पुट कर दिया जाएगा. उस तरीके से नहीं किया. A का वैल्यू में A का वैल्यू 1/64 आया.
1/64 है.
A का वैल्यू
देखना कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक होगी शायद. दूसरे तरीके से किया था. ठीक है, देखेंगे दूसरा तरीका भी. पहले लिखो फोर्थ प्रोपोर्शनल. राइट डाउन फोर्थ प्रोपोर्शनल. If A comma B comma C and D, if A B C D are in proportion, and what does it mean if A B C D are in proportion?
A by B is equal to C by D.
Correct. Or simply in proportional form we can write A ratio B is proportional to C ratio D. ठीक है क्या? if A, B, C, D are in proportion, then D is called the fourth proportion. D is called the fourth proportion. ठीक है? Can you find the fourth proportion if first three are given to you? For example, A upon B is equals to C upon D, then D is equals to CB by A. Is that clear? ठीक है? Now write down a question. Now question is, P square minus PQ, P square minus PQ, comma, P cube plus Q cube, comma, P minus Q. ठीक है? These are first three, and these like you have four numbers in proportion. ठीक है? You have to find the fourth proportion. हो गया क्या? क्या आ रहा है? P square minus Q square. देखो, this is a very simple question here. अच्छा, how will you find the fourth proportion? With formula, if these are in proportion, I will assume what is the fourth proportion? X. Sakshi, I will assume fourth proportion as X. Is that clear? So you can write, sorry, it was P square minus PQ plus Q square. अच्छा, इसलिए नहीं आ रहा होगा. ठीक है? ठीक है? What is P square minus PQ plus Q square? You remember P cube minus PQ cube. What is P cube minus Q cube? Or P cube plus Q cube? It is P plus Q and P square minus PQ plus Q square. Yes or no? So similarly, can you write P square minus PQ plus Q square as P cube plus Q cube upon P plus Q? Yes or no? Can you write this thing as P cube plus Q cube upon P plus Q? Yes or no? That means indirectly this first this thing is written as P cube plus Q cube upon P plus Q. Now you have P cube plus Q cube and P minus Q, and fourth proportion is X. So can you write all these things in proportional form? And it will be P cube plus Q cube. ठीक है? क्या होता है? A upon B is equals to C upon D. So this will be P square minus PQ plus Q square upon P cube plus Q cube. ठीक है क्या? Is equals to P minus Q upon, any doubt? What is this? P cube plus Q cube upon P plus Q. So it will be P cube plus Q cube upon P plus Q whole upon P cube plus Q cube. This will get cancelled out. Is equals to P minus Q upon X. Is that clear? Or similarly, you can write 1 upon P plus Q is equals to P minus Q upon X. So what is the value of X? P square minus Q square. Why? Because P plus Q into P minus Q is P square minus Q square. So this was the example on fourth proportional. ठीक है? Now write down properties of proportion.
You can now download the SSB SureShot app from Google Play Store to access online courses related to SSB, personality development, and written exams like NDA, CDS, FCAT, and plenty of other preparation material. For a limited time period, you can apply the coupon code SureShot20 to get a flat 20% discount on all the courses. Hurry up and become a part of the SureShot family.
ठीक है? Properties of proportion. First one is invertendo, invert property. ठीक है? What does it mean? It means if you have A upon B is equals to C upon D, then B upon A is equals to D upon C. Understood? This is called inverse property or invertendo. Okay. Now alternate property. Alternate property means similarly I have A upon B is equals to C upon D, then alternate property says if A upon B is equals to C upon D, then B upon A is equals to D upon C. Understood? This is called inverse property or invertendo. Okay. Now alternate property means similarly I have A upon B is equals to C upon D, then alternate property says You can also write it as A upon C is equals to B upon D. Yes or no? A upon C is equals to B upon D. So what does it mean? Can you write in proportional form A ratio B proportion C ratio D? ठीक है क्या? What does it mean A upon C is equals to B upon D? It means you can interchange these values. You can interchange middle values, middle terms. So it will be A ratio C proportion C B ratio D. Both are same. Yes or no? So this is called alternate property. Now write down componendo. अल्टरनेट प्रॉपर्टी यार क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर लो. क्यों नहीं हो सकता? देखो, कैन वी राइट प्रपोर्शन इन दिस फॉर्म? ठीक है, अब मैं क्या सी को इधर और बी को इधर लिख सकता हूँ? अरे भाई, आई कैन राइट दिस ए अपॉन बी इज इक्वल टू सी अपॉन डी एज ए अपॉन सी इज इक्वल टू बी अपॉन डी. सी को नीचे ले आओ, बी को उधर भेज दो. अब इसे प्रोपोर्शनल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करो तो यू विल राइट ए रेशियो सी प्रोपोर्शन बी रेशियो डी. ठीक है, नाउ राइट डाउन प्रॉपर्टीज. नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी एंड दैट इज कॉम्पोनेंडो एंड डिविडेंडो. Componendo and dividendo. This is the combination of two properties. First one is componendo and second one is dividendo. ठीक है, तो first of all I am writing the proportion A ratio B is equals to C ratio D. ठीक है, A ratio B is equals to C ratio B. तो componendo is A plus B upon B is equals to C plus D upon D. How to prove this? If this is a equation, yes or no? Can you add same number both the sides? I am adding 1 both the sides. So A upon B plus 1 is equals to C upon D plus 1. Yes or no? So this will be A plus B upon B is equals to C plus D upon. Is that clear? This is the proof. Now write down dividendo. Then after that we will combine both these properties. ठीक है? Dividendo says A upon A minus B is equals to C upon C minus D. ठीक है क्या? A upon A minus B is equals to C upon C minus D. कैसे प्रूव कर सकते हैं इसे? If you have A upon B is equals to C upon D, can we write it as B upon A is equals to D upon C? Yes or no? कोई दिक्कत है? -1 both the sides or 1 minus this both the sides. Both of these things are similar. ठीक है, मैं कोई भी मैं चेंज करूंगा, I have to change both the sides. तो क्या मैं इसे A minus B upon A is equals to C minus D upon C लिख सकता हूँ? Yes or no? Now take the reciprocal. You will have A upon A minus B is equals to C upon C minus D. So this is called dividendo. This property is called dividendo. कहाँ पे? रेसिप्रोकल लिया क्योंकि मुझे A माइनस बी बनाना था ना, न्यूमरेटर डेनोमिनेटर में चाहिए था. एंडिंग पार्ट क्या होता है? एंडिंग पार्ट में सी. Now we have to combine componendo and dividendo. ठीक है, how will we combine componendo and dividendo? Componendo and dividendo means componendo and dividendo. When you have componendo and dividendo, it is nothing but A plus B. If you have A upon B is equals to C upon D, तो A plus B upon A minus B is equals to C plus D upon C minus D. ठीक है, in this case if you will take the ratio it will be, देखो यहाँ पे दोनों इक्वेशन का if I am taking the ratio of first and second equation. ठीक है, so this will be A plus B upon A minus B and you will also have A upon B. Yes or no? नहीं, sorry, okay, this will be A upon B, okay, is equals to C plus D upon C minus D and this will be C upon D. Is that clear? But from this equation A by B is equals to C upon D, that means both will get cancelled out and finally you have componendo and dividendo. In this way we can prove componendo and dividendo property. ठीक है, is it clear? So this is all about properties of ratio and proportion, properties of proportion. Is that clear? ठीक है, now we'll see the application of ratio and proportion. ठीक है.